Hello everyone, Ramanujan Exams Day 6 Model Questions. Ramanujan's wife name was Janaki Ammal. Ramanujan's work continues to work inspire modern research dash and dash. Ramanujan's work దేనికి ఎక్కువగా ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఇచ్చిందంటే ఒకటి ప్యూర్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఇస్ అప్లైడ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. The Ramanujan Hardy number 1729 is the dash taxi cab number. 1729 అనేది Ramanujan first taxi cab number. Okay, 1729 is the first taxi cab number. Ramanujan prime is a concept in dash. Ramanujan prime అనేది number theory కి సంబంధించిన కాన్సెప్ట్. Ramanujan was interested in finding patterns in dash numbers. Ramanujan ఎక్కువగా దేని మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించాడంటే whole numbers patterns, so natural numbers patterns and integers patterns. In dash year, India celebrated the National Mathematics Year to honor Ramanujan. India ఏ సంవత్సరంలో నేషనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డే సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తుందంటే 2012. If f of x equals to x plus 7 and g of x equals to 7x, what is the value of 4 into f of 2 minus g of 2? Okay, see, f of x equals to x plus 7 and g of x equals to 7x. Okay, so now we will find 4 into f of 2 minus g of 2. Okay, listen carefully. F of x equals to x plus 7. Yes, so in this equation, what is there? F of 2 is there. So replace x equals to 2. X place లో 2 పెట్టుకోండి. F of 2 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. F of 2 equals to x ప్లస్ ఏముంది? 2 ఉంది. 2 plus 7 that is 9. Okay, and ఇంకా ఏముంది? G of x ఉంది. What is G of x? G of x equals to 7x. Here G of 2 is there. So 7 into 2 that is 14. Finally ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మీరు? 4 into f of 2 minus g of 2. 4 into f of 2 value how much? F of 2 value how much? 9. So 4 into 9 minus g of 2 value how much? 14. So 4 nines are 36. Okay, minus 14. 36 minus 14. 6 minus 4 2. 3 minus 1 2. So the final answer is 22. 22 is in option C. See the next one. How many even primes are there below 20? Not only below 20, below 100, below 1000, below 10,000. The only prime number is 1. మనకి ఒక ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్, ఈవెన్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అనేది ఒకటే ఉంది. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్, సో మెనీ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. చాలా ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. వాట్ ఇస్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్? ఏ నెంబర్ హ్యావింగ్ only 2 factors is called prime number. Okay, 2 also a prime number because 2 have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, that is 2. But 2 is a even prime number, so we have only one even prime number, that is 2. We have only one even prime number. So that is, what is that prime number? That is 2. So option is none. See the next one. 3 into 2296 plus 1000 equals to ABCD is a 4-digit number. Then the value of AB minus CD. See, 3 into 2996 plus 1000 equals to ABCD. Okay, so 2996 into, first do multiplication with 3. 3 6 are 18, 1 balance, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 1 is 28, 2, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 2 is 29, 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8988 plus 1000 equals to ABCD. So 8998 plus 1000 is 9988 equals to ABCD. Now the question is, okay, what is the question? AB minus CD. So here A equals to 9, B equals to 9, C equals to 8, D equals to 8. So AB minus CD. So A value 9, B value also 9, minus C into D. 9 9s are 81, 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81, 8 8s are 64. So 1 minus 4 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So answer 17. Here there is no option. So option is there. What is that option? None. From the figure, the length of AB is x units. What is the area of the center? What is the area of the center circle? Okay. So this is the figure. So here the figure, the length of the AB is x meters. Okay. See, let us say the radius is r. So this is the half circle. This is also r. So this is also r. All are r's only. Okay. So 2r. So 2r. So this is r. Total how many r's are there? 4 r's. So divide this one into two parts. Divide this diagram into two parts. So say it is mn. mn అనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ABCD is a square. Now ABCD is a square. Okay. In square, what is the half part? AN equals to x by 2. AN equals to x by 2. Okay. AN equal to x by 2 means because half of the diagram. AN is the half of the diagram. So this is total x, half is x by 2. So in the figure, this is the figure. Listen carefully. In this figure, x by 2. In this figure, x by 2. Okay. What about radius? See, this total is this is the radius, this is the radius. So total 2r. 2r equals to x by 2. In this, from the figure, 2r equals to x by 2. From the figure, 2r equals to x by 2. So r equals to how much? X by 2 transpose to left side, right side 2 times of 2, x by 4. So r equals to x by 4. So now we will find the value of center circle area. So what is the area of the circle formula? Area of circle equals to pi r square. So pi r value x by 4 whole square. So pi x square by 4 square 16. So pi x square by 16. So option A. See the next problem. A equals to 1, B equals to 7. Then the value of A plus A into B plus B is, okay. So A plus A into B plus B. Given. What is given? A equals to 1, B equals to 7. ఇప్పుడు ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? A plus A into B plus B. Okay. So A value how much? 1 plus A into B. 1 into 7 plus 7. That equals to 1 plus 1 7 is a 7. 1 7 is a 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So the option is A. Next one. LCM of 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 is, see, fractions ఇచ్చినప్పుడు LCM ఎలా చేయాలి? For example, see once, P by Q, R by S, T by U. Okay, LCM ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి వీటికి? LCM. So LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. LCM of fractions find out చేయాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు LCM of numerator చేయాలి, HCF of denominator చేయాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. What is LCM of 2, 3, 4? LCM of 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, see, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4. Okay, next 3, again 2, 2 1s are 3 table, 2 table not in 3, 2 1s are. Next 3 table, 3 1s are 1, 1. So therefore LCM equals to 2 into 3. So that is 12. What about HCF? HCF of 2, 3, 4. So these are consecutive numbers, very పక్కపక్కన numbers. ఎప్పుడు కూడా పక్కపక్కన numbers కి HCF ఎంత అవుతుందంటే 1 అవుతుంది. Okay. Other than 1 common factors of 1 is 1 and 2. Factors of 3 is 1 and 3. Factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. ఇందులో కామన్ ఏముంది మీకు 1 ఒకటే ఉంది. So that is the HCF. So LCM of 2, 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 is, okay, what is the formula? LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. So LCM of numerator how much? 12. Denominator 1. So 12 by 1 is 12.